First, we are going to add the whole numbers. Okay, again, this rule can be used only for addition. 11 plus 2 is equal 13. Next, I have to add fractions. I have 4 over 5 plus 2 over 3. I have 4 over 5 and 2 over 3. Remember, we spoke about the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. This is going to be enough at this moment. So if your denominators are prime numbers, okay, you don't think too long, just simply multiply them by each other. So that's why my common denominator is 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay? Now, the question is, by what number I have to multiply 5 to get 15? You have to multiply by 3. By 3. 4 times 3 is equal 12. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 15? I have to multiply by 5. 2 times 5 is equal 10. Okay? So I found the equivalent fractions and I'm going to write them into my equation. I have 12 over 15 plus 10 over 15. Okay, I have common denominator, so I can add these two fractions and I'm going to have 15. And 12 plus 10 is equal 22. Now, 22 over 15, this is the example of the improper fraction. We prefer to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. Simply, we have to divide 22 by 15. Now, how many times 15 goes into 22? Once. 1 times 15 is just 15. Subtract. 22 minus 15 is 7. Okay? So, my answer is 1 and 7 over 15. Now, where the top number will go always to the front, the remainder will go always to the numerator, and the divisor will go always to the denominator. That's why my final answer is going to be 13 plus 1 and 7 over 15. 13 plus 1, 7, 15 is equal 14, 7 over 15. Why? This is like $13 plus $1 and change. This is $14 and change. This is the solution to this problem.